What's the meaning of bracing? Bracing. Bracing.
Bracing. Bracing. The term bracing is used to refer to supporting or strengthening something or someone, often in a physical sense. When something is braced, it becomes more stable and less likely to fail under pressure or strain. Bracing can take many forms, from adding extra support to a structure or device, to providing encouragement and motivation to a person who is struggling with a difficult task. The result of bracing can be increased safety, better performance, and a greater sense of confidence and resilience in the face of challenges. Overall, bracing is a valuable tool for achieving success and overcoming obstacles in various areas of life.